From my family to yours, we wish you a Happy New Year. This video is going to be about the current market conditions here in Steamboat, then some thank yous from 2023 and my predictions for 2024. Happy New Year. 2023, another interesting year. Now, surging interest rates and record low inventory caused the market to slow considerably. Now, that said, we are seeing close to $1 billion in sales volumes for 2023. So even though the market is down from the last 3 years, if you exclude those pandemic years, our sales volume continues to trend upward at a fairly modest rate. Inventory remains incredibly low. While it might be great to ski down this trend line, our active listings remain super low, especially going back 15 years. Now, demand has softened for many reasons. Higher interest rates, higher prices, a little unsettling economy, but there's still plenty of people looking to make Steamboat home. Now, as you look at this chart, you see that months of supply is still historically very low. We're looking at about a 2 to 5 month supply of inventory, depending on what market segment you're looking at. A normal healthy market is about 6 months, so it's still a seller's market in most of Steamboat Springs. Median close price. When I look at all the properties that closed in Routt County in 2023, the median close price was up 8.7%. Now, nationally, according to Case Shiller, 2023 saw 4.8% in gains for homes year over year. So obviously Steamboat is a little bit higher than those national numbers, but that's kind of consistent with resort markets like Steamboat Springs. Getting a little bit more specific in Steamboat Springs for median close price. Single family homes saw a 10.1% increase in median close price. Condos, not quite as strong at 7.2, but still up. Townhomes, ironically, were down 3.1%. That could be attributed to the restrictions in the nightly rentals for certain developments. And multifamily properties were down 0.1%. So overall, the Steamboat market remains quite strong for 2023, and my predictions for 2024 are soon to follow. Words cannot express how grateful I am for my client base over the years. So these are some heartfelt thank yous from my clients of 2023. After that will be my 2024 predictions, so stay tuned for that. Beth and Josh, it's about time in the mountains and family gatherings in a place so special. Congrats on the Steamboat getaway. Aaron and Jenna, an office, rental, or pied-à-terre. With this location, you can't go wrong. Happy 2024. John and Jen, we all talk about the Routt County curse, meaning you move away and you end up moving back. Well, we're glad you guys are back in town. Deborah and Jeff, you couldn't get a more kid or dog-friendly neighborhood and an amazing home. Congratulations and welcome back to this community. All the best in 2024. Paul and Katrina, a little more tranquility, privacy, and amazing views. I'm so happy you found yourselves home. Happy New Year. Jared and Joanne, all your efforts and a little bit of time paid off. Enjoy the tropical breezes of your next adventure. Misha and Rob, sorry to see you two leave Steamboat, but Bozeman is just as cool. Plus, now you have a Home Depot and a Whole Foods nearby. I'm a little jealous. John, Steamboat lost a good one. You will be missed. And not just your magic skills or sense of humor. Enjoy the warmer weather and lower elevation of Mesquite. David and Diane, so much love, passion, and creativity emanated from your home. All of which I'm sure will be carried over to your new urban studio. So excited to see your new chapter. Zach and Cecilia, it's not that often something so special comes available at the right time, in the right place. So excited to see what you do. A delightful canvas to make your own. Chris and Noel, sorry to see you two leave Steamboat, but the opportunities are limitless in your new state. And I'm sure you won't miss the snow removal. All the best. Jim and Julie, all good things come to those who wait. and oh man, your place is special. Coffee on that deck, watching sunrises and sunsets. That place is pretty amazing. Nick and Valerie, I could honestly say it was team effort. You two, or three I should say, really made your home shine for all those showings, and it paid off. All the best in Oregon. Rochelle, closing a meaningful chapter isn't always easy, but I'm psyched for you two and your family and look forward to seeing what's next. Steffi and Matt, so glad you made the decision to plant some roots here in Steamboat. I'm super excited for your next chapter to begin. We'll see what season you love the best. Scott and Lynn, it might take a little time, but your morning coffee or evening cocktail will never taste so good with those views. So excited to see what you create, and I make a mean old-fashioned, by the way. Paul and Katrina, what a long, strange trip it's been. Released August 18th, 1977, but seriously, this one is all about turning the corner and only looking forward. I'm excited to see you've already settled into your new home, even if it was just trucking, going down the road in the morning dew. Best for 2024. My predictions for the upcoming year. I think prices will continue to go up. Nationally, they're saying 4 to 6%. I think Steamboat will fall right in that range at 4 to 6%, maybe a little bit higher depending on what property. I think rents will increase as well, and I don't think we're going to see any defaults on mortgage, so that's not an issue at all. Mortgage interest rates will continue to go downward. The feds have stopped increasing the rates. So I think interest rates for home mortgages will stabilize around 6%, maybe the mid 6%. I think assumable mortgages might also come into effect, and the 5 to 7 year ARMs will get a little bit more popular as well. I think inventory will continue to rise a little bit as interest rates go down, more people decide to make that change, and I think inventory will increase a little bit, but I think demand will increase as well. So I think that's why I think prices will continue to go up. Obviously, the number of sales or the volume will increase as well. I don't think it's going to be huge changes in the market, but I think Steamboat Springs will continue on that same trajectory, with sales volume increasing, pricing increasing at a normal, steady rate, and a little bit more active market as mortgage rates fall. So 2024 could be an interesting year. So a big thank you to all my clients that believed in me over the last year. So thank you again. I hope you enjoyed this information. I hope you enjoyed my projections for 2024. My contact information is below if you have any real estate questions or any questions about Steamboat Springs. So thanks again for tuning in. We will see you soon, and enjoy the ski season.